Need to spontaneously register lots of new keys once again? No problem, thanks to the Ecos commitment to your expansion. With Ecos, you can activate further key slots without the need for a technician. For this, you only require additional ID plugs, which you will receive by mail. In addition, you will receive your Ecos license code by mail or as a QR code on your smartphone. To activate the license code, authenticate yourself on the system. Go to the Settings menu and call up License. Enter your license code here. Alternatively, you can simply scan your QR code on the system to enter the license code. After the key slots light up, remove the covers and insert the new ID plugs for scanning. Now follow the normal setup process for new keys. Thanks to the Ecos commitment to your expansion, you will have activated further key slots in a matter of minutes without the need for a technician.